This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is another one of my favorites. It says right here on the side, it lasts up to 16 hours. It's lightweight, and it has the temperature control technology. So I really like this. I use this over my makeup when I want it to stay for a while, if I'm going out for the night or I'm having a date night, even every day if you're having a meeting at work and you just really want your makeup to stay and look fresh all day, I use this. All you have to do is kind of spray it like this. I usually do 3 spritzes just to kind of cover all my face. It stops it from melting. It won't crease in the lines. And it just makes sure that kind of all the money that you're spending on the makeup will stay and put for, all day. So this is a product I highly recommend. I even buy the travel size sometimes, which is about half this size. So I have this one in the house, and I have my smaller one for travel. And yeah, I think this is a great product if you want to have your makeup stay really long and not worry about it running or wiping off.